Welcome to this guide on the best online course creation platforms. Whether you're an instructor looking to build your first course or scaling an existing educational business, choosing the right platform is critical. In this session, we're comparing 5 major platforms, Teachable, Kajabi, Udemy, Thinkific, and Podia, to help you understand their strengths, trade-offs, and which one fits your specific needs. Our focus is on how these platforms handle 3 core functions: building your course content, hosting it reliably, and selling it to students. Let's dive in. Every course platform needs to do 3 essential things. First, it needs to let you build your course materials, upload videos, create quizzes, organize lessons, and structure your content. Second, it needs to host that course reliably so students can access it anytime. Third, it needs to help you sell the course, accept payments, process transactions, and manage your student relationships. Most platforms excel at 1 or 2 of these functions, and that's where the key differences emerge. Understanding which platforms prioritize which functions is what helps you make the right choice for your business model. Here's a quick reference showing how each platform handles the core functions. Teachable provides full support for all 3 areas: course creation tools, video hosting, student access control, payment processing, and some marketing features. Kajabi goes even further with all 5 capabilities at full strength. Udemy excels at creation and hosting, but you can't control your own payment processing. Udemy handles that. Thinkific covers all core areas but has limited marketing tools built in. Podia gives you all the basics with strong email marketing integration. Use this matrix to see which platforms align with what you need. Teachable is purpose-built for independent course creators. It's a software-as-a-service platform that handles hosting, payments, and student management end-to-end in one integrated system. You get a drag-and-drop course builder, native video hosting so you don't need a separate streaming service, built-in payment processing to accept student payments directly, and a student community with discussion forums and progress tracking. The platform is best suited for creators who want to own their pricing and student relationships. The trade-off is that Teachable charges 30% of your course revenue plus payment processing fees. However, you get a complete system included, so there's no need to patch together multiple tools. It's ideal for creators who want minimal setup with full control over their pricing strategy. Kajabi is different. It's not just a course platform, it's a full digital business operating system. Beyond courses, you get website and landing page builders, email automation with visual sequences, the ability to bundle and sell multiple digital products, and detailed analytics on your revenue and customer behavior. Kajabi is best for solopreneurs and small teams building a broader digital product ecosystem, not just courses. You can launch cohort-based courses, create membership models, and run promotional funnels all in one place. The trade-off is pricing. Kajabi's subscription is higher than most alternatives because you're getting a complete business platform. It's worth it if you plan to eventually sell multiple products and need automation, but it may be overkill if you're just launching one course. Udemy operates differently from the others. It's not a platform you rent, it's a marketplace. You upload your course to Udemy's platform, and Udemy handles all the marketing and distribution. Students browse Udemy's storefront, not your branded website. Revenue is split 50-50 between you and Udemy per sale. You don't set your own prices. Udemy can add discounts and run promotions without your control. The big advantage is discoverability. Udemy has millions of students actively searching for courses. You get access to built-in traffic and audience without building your own marketing. This makes Udemy ideal for testing course ideas, reaching new audiences, and earning passive income. The trade-off is you don't own the student relationship, you can't control pricing aggressively, and Udemy takes half your revenue. It's a great starting point if you're new to course creation. Thinkific sits in the mid-market. It emphasizes ease of use and community engagement. You get a drag-and-drop course builder, native video hosting, built-in student discussion forums and groups, automatic affiliate program management to reward referrers, and course progress tracking. Thinkific is designed for instructors who want professional tools without technical overhead. There's strong emphasis on student engagement and community-driven learning. The pricing model is a monthly subscription that scales as you grow. Thinkific is the sweet spot for scaling creators who want engagement tools, but don't need a full sales funnel and marketing automation suite like Kajabi. It's particularly good if you're building a community around your courses and want students to interact with each other. Podia takes a different approach to simplicity. Instead of offering every possible feature, it unifies your core needs into one streamlined system. You can create courses, sell digital products like templates and downloads, offer recurring memberships, and reach students through built-in email. The philosophy is elimination of tool switching. Everything you need for a course business is integrated. Podia charges an 8% revenue share plus payment processing fees, making it cost-effective. The trade-off is less customization and fewer advanced features than competitors. But the real strength is speed. You can set up and launch in days instead of weeks. Podia is ideal for solopreneurs and first-time course creators who want simplicity and speed over maximum flexibility. Now, how do you choose? Use this matrix to match platforms to your situation. Consider two axes: control versus audience and complexity versus simplicity. Teachable gives you high control and moderate complexity, a balanced toolset for creators who already have an audience. Kajabi maximizes control but adds higher complexity, ideal for builders of full business ecosystems. Udemy trades control for marketplace reach, great if you want discoverability over ownership. Thinkific and Podia offer creator-friendly setups with simpler interfaces. Here are 3 common scenarios. If you have an audience already, prioritize tools that give you pricing control, branding, and direct student relationships. That's Teachable or Kajabi. If you're testing course ideas, use a marketplace or low setup platform like Udemy or Podia to validate before investing heavily. If you want community-led learning with strong engagement features, choose Thinkific or Kajabi for their community and membership capabilities. Here are the core takeaways. First, there's no one-size-fits-all platform. Each excels in specific areas: control, simplicity, reach, or automation. Match your choice to your priorities. Second, trade-offs are real. Higher-fee platforms give all-in-one solutions, marketplaces limit control but offer audience access, and simpler platforms sacrifice advanced features. Third, start with your audience. If you have existing students or followers, own your platform. If you're building from zero, test on marketplaces first to validate demand. Now, take action. Define your priority, what matters most to you. Rank control, simplicity, built-in audience, or automation. Next, test with free trials. Most platforms offer 14 to 30-day free trials. Upload sample content and experience the creator dashboard. Calculate your true costs, including platform fees and payment processing. Finally, plan for migration before you launch. Switching platforms later is difficult, so choose the one that best fits your current and near-future needs. Remember, your platform is a means to serve your students, not the core of your business. Choose wisely and launch your course.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.